Alright, here we are by Eric GST. So homeboy was testing for a vacuum leak using carb cleaner. He's using carb cleaner to test for a vacuum leak by spraying everywhere. Mind you, vacuum is only after the throttle. He was spraying this, checking for a vacuum leak on a boost leak system. Alright, bet. Start it up. Yep. This is why I don't like coming to help this fella right here. This is why. As soon as I come, the mask is disconnected. As soon as I start spraying, nothing. This nigga did not seal his intake manifold properly. Now, pay attention, folks. Try this again. Pretty big vacuum leak, don't you think? So here we are. We're still on the corner. Oh, y'all gotta see this. Can we see this? Can we see this? Like, really? Solution to any DSM problem, carb cleaner. I swear by it.